you create a green screen video in TikTok. You want to use green screens when you want to change your background. Maybe you want to replace your background with something, maybe text or just some information that you want to share. This is how you record green screen in your TikTok app. You click the camera and then we're going to go to effects and then green screen. You can look at the tabs up here. You can look at the search tab and you could choose to search for green screen. And as you can see, there's the green screen app right there. And this is a green screen for photos. Go back to the camera setup and then we go to our effects. And now instead of searching for the green screen, we're going to go straight to the green screen tab. And then now we want to add green screen video behind us, okay? So let me choose a video that looks a little different. Let's say I want to talk about recording videos on my camera and I want to show how I record videos on my camera. I will choose to do that with green screen. So I'm going to make this video just 3 seconds and I'm just going to click next and I'll shrink myself down. And then I'll be pointing to, this is how I record green screen video. This is how I record on my camera. And then I'm going to press record. This is how I record on my camera. And that's it. And now I have my green screen video. So I have a video inside of a video playing. Isn't that cool? Isn't that awesome? That's great. And that's how you record green screen with photo and with videos.